Farmer Dean here. You just took a shot of the catalogs. It's really exciting to me because usually spring catalogs don't start coming until January. Guess what? I'm already getting them and it's just the 1st of December. The one that I use the most of is Johnny's Selected Seeds. I can't say enough about these people. I order early, and the reason why I order early is because I want to get all the varieties because they do sell out of some. And what I do is I just go through the catalog and I circle the ones that I want, and then I go online, of course, and buy them. Norris is, if you're looking for strawberries or raspberries, these people are the best. You can see that all the different varieties of strawberries they have. And I've got to order new strawberries next year. This is already the start of spring for me. Even though it's December, this is spring. And I'm looking forward to going through, getting all my seeds ordered. And people say to them, what do you do when you order them in December and you get them? Hey, you just put them in the crisper in the refrigerator. I got a refrigerator outside in my garage and I just put them in there. They're fine. They still germinate fine. Don't forget to go to Johnny's. They don't pay me anything. Wish they did. They are probably one of the best seed catalogs I find. I probably use 90% of my seeds from them. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope spring's coming to you. You're getting some of your spring catalogs. OMGs, I am really excited about going through all this, getting my seeds ordered and seeing them come in. Become my best friend. Like and follow. I'd appreciate it.